In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in Weebly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the steps. First things first, if you want to undo any changes in Weebly, you'll need to access the site editor. Start by logging into your Weebly account. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen and find the Website tab. Click on that, and you'll see an option to edit site. Go ahead and select that, and then click on the Edit button for the specific website you're working on. This will open up your site in the editor, ready for you to make your adjustments. Now let's say you've made some changes to a specific element on your page. This could be anything from a text box, an image, or any other component you've recently modified. To start the undo process, click on the element you wish to revert. By clicking on it, you'll bring up some handy options for editing right above the element. Once you've identified the element you want to change, look for the Build toolbar. This toolbar typically appears at the top of the screen when you select anything on your page. It's important to note that this toolbar contains a variety of tools and options for modifying your selected element, but what we're interested in today is the Undo button. Now, here comes the exciting part. To reverse your action, simply click the left arrow icon found on that toolbar. As soon as you press it, you'll notice that your most recent change is undone. This is a simple yet powerful feature that can save you from making irreversible mistakes. If, for some reason, you realize you need to go back even further, don't worry, you can click that left arrow multiple times. Every press steps back another change you've made, allowing you to retrace several actions in sequence. This is particularly useful if you've made a series of adjustments that you're no longer satisfied with. So, to recap, once you're in the site editor and have selected the element, just remember to locate that Undo button and you're on your way to restoring things back to how you'd like them. Remember that practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to play around within the Weebly site editor and get comfortable with using the Undo feature. And if you ever find yourself unsure about the changes you've made, just utilize that Undo option until you reach a point where you're happy with everything again. That covers our walkthrough for today on how to undo changes in Weebly. Hopefully, these steps clear up any confusion and help you navigate the editor with more confidence. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it, as it helps me bring you more useful guides. Thanks for watching.